Hey guys, I have a fun tutorial for you today which will teach you how to create texture using overhand knots. I have tied 2 rows of double half hitch knots here and will be adding the texture in between the 2 rows of knots. Here's what it will look like once complete. Okay, let's get started. Use pieces of 7mm string that are about 7 inches long to tie your overhand knots. Tie 4 knots across, tying your knots to every other filler cord. Trim the ends and brush them out to create a bit of texture. Tie another 4 knots to the alternating filler cords. Trim the ends again. Repeat this process until you've created a design of your desired length. Fill in the section or leave some open space. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.